Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. It's kind of hard to hold the camera straight. Let me put a kind of load on the other side to get the limited slip to lock up a little bit. The kind of squishing sound you hear is the gear oil, but so the limited slip ears, the actual clutch pack ears, do move. I think they make a little bit of the noise, but a lot of the noise also looks like the S-spring hitting the top and the bottom. Maybe not. This is with the drive shaft out. Spin the carrier around. That's definitely the noise I'm hearing though. Yeah, and actually I'll show you the center pin. Also has a little bit of wiggle in it. Might be hard to tell on video, but not too much. That one actually looks okay. You can kind of see the lash in the gears. Not the main pinion gear, but not the main ring gear, rather. And actually, the ring gear looks great. Let's see if I can get up in here a little bit easier. So the ring gear looks good. It's kind of hard for me to get it in focus. All of the teeth look good. There's no like scoring or pitting or anything on the sides over there. But let's see if I can capture this on camera. If you look in the actual spider gears, they look just a little bit worn, you know? I mean, they don't look new. Not like the ring gear does, at least. The ring gear, I can actually see the cross hashing still. I don't know if it's going to be able to pick it up because of the light. I think my ISO is too high on the camera, but the spider gears definitely they don't look torn up, but let me see if I can find a good example. Yeah, like kind of hard to see, but on this one, right in here, right there, you can kind of see some pitting. It's hard to see, I gotta get it just right. You can see some pitting on it, a little bit of scoring on the edges, and kind of, not necessarily chipping, but they definitely don't look new. And let's see if I can figure out how much play is in this one. One of them is not real bad, but has a lot of up and down play. Let me see if I can capture it. Hang on. Alright, well, I got gear all over my hands and my phone, but let me just bring it in here real quick. So here, definitely have a lot of up and down play on some of the spider gears, depending on position. Sometimes they are loaded and they don't really want to move up and down. And the S-spring is pretty much centered. I just kind of rocked the limited slip back and forth. The bottom one seems okay right now. And that one is the one with the, I think it's the crosspin bolt on that side. Yeah. So you can see the crosspin bolt right there. Spin it around a little bit more. So now the bottom one's on top. The bottom one just before is on top. A lot less play than this one. The side gears don't have any movement at all, and the side gears in general look like they're in better shape than the top pinion gears, which are a little bit. just wipe them off. A little bit pitted, if I can even figure out where the camera's pointing. A little bit of pitting, and no major chunks. I don't see any chunks missing. Everything else looks great. Ring gear looks great. Diff fluid was brand new, fresh. I mean, it came out super clear. I mean, just like I put it in. It was only a couple 100 miles ago, 200 miles ago. I'm going to go ahead and change it. I got a bunch of SuperTech, 85 W140. I have 2 bottles of the XL3 gear additive, the limited slip friction modifier. So I'm going to add one at a time and see if there's any change. But I think it's definitely the spider gears. The clutch packs feel like they're locking up pretty firmly. I mean, it's quite difficult for me to do just laying on the ground. I gotta kind of wedge my foot up here and then I can get it to kind of turn, but it's hard for me to even turn it with one hand on the other tire. And you can kind of see it. Carry it around again. Yeah, no bueno. I don't know, I think I'm going to try to change out the spider gears because I know the clutch packs were changed when this thing was put together. It's supposed to have the whole master kit, and I thought the spider gears came with it, and the S-spring, and all the washers, and the thrust washers. So, I don't know. Anyway, if you guys have any ideas, let me know. Thanks.